Jason, hey, be careful. Jason, you're scary. Be careful. I don't know why you think dancing on the table is funny. Kason, say no. Kason, say no. Da. Say no. Kason, say no. You need to be on this side. Yeah, it's brighter that way. Hey, you better get down. Hi. Hi. Get down. You scare yourself? Kason. Go, Kason. Go, Kason. Go, Kason. Go, Kason. It's birthday. You love dancing. You love dancing, pork chop. Hi. Go, Kason. Go, Kason. Go. Oh, you crack me up with your dancing. You're too silly. You're so silly. Are you a little ham? Oh, Kason. Say hi. Kason, say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Wave. Say mama. Kason. Kylie, you want to talk? Come here. Come here.
Why?
Tell Mimi the story about how you want a kitten. And you're going to take your dogs back to the store. You're going to take your dogs back? You don't need them anymore? Yeah. I thought you wanted a little kitten.
Yeah. I always want to have a cat.
You always wanted to have a cat? What kind?
Sarah.
That's her name, Sarah? Sarah the cat? Here, stand over here in the light. Stand right here in the light. Or maybe you can sit on the couch. Yeah. It's a little better. It's harder to see your face. Uh-oh. Kylie. It was hardly attached to any hair. I know, it probably hurt really bad. I'm sorry.
You broke my heart.
You broke your heart.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
No.
No way, now how are you tired? Huh? Not now, not never. Not ever tired.